Okay, so Panya, can you read the question for me?
Number 17.
Yeah, the 17 question.
How many squares are there in the figure below?
Okay, so do you want to do it in 2 minutes or just let me solve it for you guys? Send a message in the chat. Okay, so I'll give you 1 minute to solve it. The strategy is at first you need to find the value of the square like this, and then after that you need to find the square like this. At first you need to find a bob right here. After that you do the like this, and then you need to find a 3. After that you need to find a 4 and continue until this is 8, so you still can do till 8. And yeah, just count it and you're gonna find a pattern, and then after that you can do it easily. So yeah. Okay, since it's time, so I'm gonna solve it for you guys. Okay, so at first we need to count the square, that is 1 times 1 is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, no, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So it's 8 right here and 8 right here. So in this we're gonna have 8 times 8, which is 8 square. So after that we're gonna count 2 2, which is like this: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and that's it, because this is the we can say this is the border of the big square. So yeah, let's count it. The just like we did as the square that is from 1 times 1. So we're gonna count the row like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 2 times 2 is gonna be 7 square. And we only count the half of the picture. There's another square. So we're gonna do it. We're gonna just type in 2 after we count everything. So we're gonna do 3. So it's 3. Then this is 1. This is already 1. Then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And as we know, if this is 6 as the pattern that we have seen, this is 6. So yeah, this is gonna be 6 too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 times 3 is gonna be 6 square. And then for 4 times 4 Okay, so in here we can see the pattern. So it's 8 squared, 7 squared, and 6 squared. So this is gonna be 5 squared. So let's check if the pattern is true. So we're gonna do like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is correct. So we can continue with till 8 square. We're gonna have 1 square because this is the 8 one. Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's gonna be 1. So just plus everything. We also okay, so we need to plus everything. But remember, this is just the half of the picture, but we need to time this half too. So we just do 8 plus 7, 8 squared plus 7 squared plus 6 squared plus 5 squared plus blah 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 plus till 1 square and times 2. Okay guys, do you understand this? If you understand, just raise your hand, something like that. Okay, so yeah, just go through. I assume that you understand everything. So we need to plus it. We need to plus the square thing. So by doing that, we need to remember a formula, which is n times n plus 1 times 2n plus 1 over 6, which is 1 squared plus blah 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 plus till n squared equal to this thing. So in here we have 1 till 8. So it's gonna be 8 times 9 times 17 over 6. So just remove this and 3, and then this is gonna be 4. After that it's gonna be 3. 17 times 12, because it's 4 times 3, it's gonna be 12. 4, 1, 2, 3, 7, 1. So 4, 0, 1, which is like this. Okay, so in this whole box it's gonna be 2 times 204. We're gonna have 408. Do you guys get it? Guys, do you get it? Oh, okay. So yeah, let's continue. Okay, so in this thing, we already get the answer, but you need to remember that when we count it, there's also the overlap thing. So the overlap thing is, okay, since we count it only here, right? So the one thing, the one square is not gonna be overlap, but the 2, it can be overlap right here. 1, 2, 3. So the 2 is gonna be 3 more. So just note it as 3 more. Then after that, we gonna have the 3. The 3. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so it's gonna be 4 plus 4. And after that, we're gonna have the 5. The 5. Let's check if it is gonna be true. Oh no, the 4. The 4 first. So earlier we only do this, but now it's gonna be like this, which is 1. No, it's only 4. There's only 4. You got it, because it's like only this line with and this. So it's only allow like from 2, 3, and 4. 5 is like over. It's too big for the overlap part. So this is 1, So this is we're not gonna use it. 2 and 3. So we're gonna plus another 3. So it's gonna be 10 more. Okay, guys. So the overlap is gonna be 10, as we have here. The not overlap one, we have 108, 408. So we're gonna plus 10. It's gonna be equal to 418, which is our answer. Do you guys get it? Okay, since you guys don't have any question, we're gonna go. Oh, I don't really understand the overlapping part. Oh, okay. So yeah, we already count until this, right? Already count until this. So we have like make it in half the whole page, but the whole picture, but we make it in half. So we only count this part, and we didn't do anything about like over until here, which is having another square. And then if it is like this square, okay, so example, if you count four like this, 1, and then this is gonna be another one, which is 2, another one, which is 3, another one, which is 4, and another one, and it's gonna be here. But we can like, if we count it from here, we're gonna have this until this, till this, and this. Yeah, so in this we also able to draw it, right? So we only count that thing, but we didn't count the overlap part, because we have make this in 2 pieces, which is like the border between Thailand and Cambodia, and the border between Vietnam and Cambodia, something like that. So, but there's something that is overlap here, which we can like, this is we gonna make it in half, but the thing is we need to make it as overlap, which is like this. Like you can see, right? Earlier we only do this thing until this, but we have this, and we also have this. So if you draw like this, another one, it's gonna be the same as what we have to draw earlier. So we cannot draw that again and count it again. So like that, we gonna have it as this, which is we already count 2. Okay, so in the easier way, we just draw the 4 part in half, which is it has only 1 because it is in half. So it's like the border. So we cannot draw like this, because it's gonna overlap, like it's gonna be the thing that we have already count in 5 square. So we can do like this. Wait. So it's gonna be like this, the border one, and after that it's gonna be like hmm, it's like this, right, earlier, and it's gonna be like this, and it's also gonna be like this, which is 3, like we already count right here, like here. So if we count the 3, we already count in here, right? So the 3 thing, it's gonna be like this, and like this. like this, which is 4. This is the 3. This is the, yeah, this is the 3. And we have 3, 4, and 5, right? Earlier. Oh, no, not 5. 2. So the 2, we already counted like in here, like this. We already counted, so we cannot do that. We can only do like this, like make it in half, because if we count it like this picture, we cannot do it because we already counted in 7 square. So if we count it, it's gonna be the same. So we're gonna get the incorrect answer. So we just like do like this, and like this. So we have like 3. This is the 2. This is the 4. Do you understand it? Because I draw the picture for you. Like example, if you draw 2, it's gonna be like this. The 2 which is in 7 square, like this. And then when we reach this thing, we're gonna stop. When we draw from this, it's the same. When we reach that part, we're gonna stop. Yeah, so we're gonna stop here, which is our border. But in there, we also have like this thing and this thing. That's why we count it as overlapping part. Do you understand it? Oh, I get it now. Thank you, teacher. So basically, it's yeah. Because it's like that. We can combine it because this is the border, and we can draw like this. But we don't want to mess it up, so that's why we make it as a border and count it later. Yeah. So let's go through another question. So I think I'm gonna skip this part. This part and this part. We're gonna continue doing this first because this is not taking too long and it's not that hard. So just go through 20 because the 3 question is real. No, not 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 6th question is like really good. It is gonna appear in SASMO. If I think it's gonna appear because basically it's mostly appear in grade 8, especially this thing. Okay, so Chitra, can you read the question 20?
Number 20, question 20. The 6-digit number 7A34B4 is divisible by 36. If B is a prime number, find the volume of A.
Okay, thank you. So, okay, let's go through because we don't have any more time. Okay, so it says that the B is gonna be prime, a prime number. So in order is divisible by 36 is gonna be 9 and 4. 9 times 4, which is 36. So we have it as 7A34B4. So it's B4. So it's a prime number, which lead us what if we test it as 2? Because as we know, when it is divisible by 4, the 2 in here is gonna be like the multiple of 4. So it's gonna be like 2, 4. Is the divisibility rule of 4, which we need the last 2 digit need to be the multiple of 4. That's why if we do like we have the prime number 2, 3, 5, 7, and what else? And yeah, that's it, which is the a single digit number. So it's gonna be 2 because it's gonna be divisible by 4. Okay, we have 7, 8, 3, 4, 2, 4. All right. So do you know the rule of the divisible by 9? The divisible by 9 is gonna be 7 plus 8 plus 3 plus 4 plus 2 plus 4, which is equal to 9k, which k is the something like this. Because k can be like 2, 1, whatever, which is the multiple of 9. Okay, so let's plus the number 7, 9, 13, 20 plus a. Okay, so what 9 time what, which is the multiple of, which is the nearest integer, that is 20. So we have like 27, right? If you do like 9 times 2 is gonna be 18. So the 18, when the 18 minus 20 is gonna be minus 2. So it is impossible. It need to be higher than this, like 9k need to be bigger than 20, something like that. So assume that the multiple of 9, it's gonna be the 27. So as we have here, a equal to 27 minus 20, which is 7. So a equal to 7. Or you can use another way. It's gonna be like we use modulo, like what I taught you last week. 9 like this. So when we do like this, it's gonna be 20 mode with 9. So 9, like 9, 20 minus 9 is gonna be, no, divided by 9 is gonna be 2 and 18. This is minus. So it's gonna be 18, which is 2. So a conquer on minus 2 is gonna be 9. So the value of a is gonna be like 9 minus 2, which is equal to 7. So you see, exactly the same answer. Or you can just do like the first method, which is 20 plus a equal to 27. If it is like if we do this, we do the sum and we get like 17, like example is 17 plus a, so you just assume like it's 18, something like that. Then a is gonna be 1, like that. You can assume it that way. Do you guys understand it? If you understand it, please like raise your hand something or unmute and talk, or I'll give you 1 minute to ask me any question. Okay, so as I can see, there's someone who understand. Okay, let's go through, because yeah, we have more question to go through. Okay, so can anyone volunteer to read this question for me? Oh, oh yeah. Oh, អញ្ចឹងមិញហ្នឹងអត់បាននិយាយខ្មែរអញ្ចឹងបញ្យល់ជាខ្មែរមើលទៅសិន ចឹងដើម្បីចែកដាច់នឹងលេខចឹងមានន័យថាលេខ36ហ្នឹងវាមកពីលេខ9គុណនឹង4ដើម្បីវាជាផលចែកវាអាចចែកដាច់នឹង4បានគឺលេខនេះដើម្បីចែកដាច់នឹង4បានគឺលេខ2ចុងក្រោយរបស់វាហៅថាជាពហុគុណនៃ4ចឹងដើម្បីជាពហុគុណនៃ4យើងដឹងហើយថាវា b គឺជា prime number ចឹង prime number វាមានលេខ2លេខ3លេខ5លេខ7ដែលវាជា single digit មានន័យថាវាគឺជាលេខមួយខ្ទង់ចឹងនៅពេលដែលយើងដាក់វាគឺយើងត្រូវយកលេខ2ព្រោះអីព្រោះដើម្បីឲ្យវាចែកដាច់នឹង4គឺវាត្រូវតែជាពហុគុណនៃ4ចឹងដើម្បីវាជាពហុគុណនៃ4វាត្រូវតែជាលេខ24ដោយសារលេខ24គឺជាពហុគុណនៃ4មានន័យ6គុណនឹង4ស្មើ24ដូច្នេះហើយយើងនៅពេលដែលយើងបានអញ្ចឹងហើយយើងដើម្បីយើងដឹងថាលេខអក្សរ A នេះគឺជាអ្វីគឺជាលេខប្រមាណតម្លៃគេយើងត្រូវយកប្រើប្រាស់ច្បាប់ដែលលេខដែលចែកដាច់នឹងលេខ9ដោយសារវាគឺជាត្រូវតែជាពហុគុណនៃ9 36វាមានលេខ9គុណនឹង4អញ្ចឹងដើម្បីឲ្យវាចែកដាច់នឹង36គឺវាត្រូវតែចែកដាច់នឹង9ផងចែកដាច់នឹង4ផងអញ្ចឹងមិញយើងបាន follow ទៅតាមច្បាប់ចែកដាច់នឹង4ហើយអញ្ចឹងយើងត្រូវការច្បាប់ចែកដាច់នឹង9មួយទៀតដើម្បីយើង follow ទៅតាមវាយើងត្រូវច្បាប់វាគឺ if យើងមាន A មាន B មាន C មាន D នៅក្នុងចេះនេះយើងយក A បូក B បូក C បូក D ត្រូវជាពហុគុណនៃ9អញ្ចឹងពហុគុណនៃ9របស់យើងគឺ27ចឹងនៅពេលដែលធ្វើអញ្ចឹងគឺយើងទទួលបាននៅលេខមួយគឺ20បូកនឹង a ស្មើនឹង27ដោយសារលេខ27គឺជាពហុគុណនៃ9ដែលជិតនៅលេខ20បូក a បំផុតអញ្ចឹងយើងបាន a ស្មើនឹង27ដកជាមួយនឹង20 a ស្មើនឹង7យល់ទេ Okay, so I assume that you guys understand អញ្ចឹងមានន័យថាយល់អស់ទាំងអស់គ្នាអញ្ចឹងធ្វើលេខ21who is we can we read this question okay so I'm gonna read it the operation this sign acts on two integers to give the following outcome. For the sign 8 equal to 24 and so on, like the picture you can see. And then what is the value of 7, the operation, and 8? Okay, so I'll give you 1 minute to solve this exercise. After that, I'm gonna do it for you. Okay, so as I can see, there's no answer. So I'm gonna do it for you. Okay, so let's try some way to find the value of it. Example. What if we have like 2 times 4 plus 8? What's the value of it? It's gonna be 12 times 2. So 12 times 2 is gonna be like 24. So as we can see in here, 4 times 2 and 4 plus 8 times 2 is gonna be the first digit in here. So it's gonna be 24. And wait, how can we use it to find this digit? Let's consider with me. So what is the value of 8 minus 4? 8 minus 4 is gonna be it's gonna be 4. Yeah, 4. Oh, wait, this is not working. So what if we do like 8 plus 4? Okay, so the first digit, like 24, we got 2 times 8 plus 4, and it's the first two digit, and the last two digit is gonna be 4 plus 4. 8 plus 4 is gonna be 24 and 12, like what it is given. Okay, so let's apply the operation into another one. So we're gonna have like 2 and 14, and then 9 plus 5. So what do we get here? It's 28. Oh, 28 is correct, but it's 14. So it's not correct since the operation does not work for everything. Oh, so let's find another way. So what if we do another way, which is 3 8 minus 4, because we can see earlier we have 8 minus 4 equal to 4 times 3 is gonna be 12. So it's exactly the same. So it's gonna be 24 and 12. Okay, so what if we apply the same thing? 9 minus 5. So it's gonna be 28. 4 times 3 is gonna be 12. The same. Oh, it worked. So it's look good. So it's gonna be 8. 3 times 7 minus 1. Oh, it's look good. Yeah, 16 and 18. Look good, look good. So 2 and 6. 3 minus 2, which is 1. So we gonna have no. Wait, we plus. So this thing is 3 plus 2 is 5. Okay, so we got 10 and 3, which is correct, and the operation worked with everything, with every number that they given to us. So yeah, what is the operation? It's gonna be 2 times a plus b and 3 times b minus a. Okay, we can apply it here. So 2, 8 plus 7, 3, 8 minus 7. It's equal to 33. Yeah. If I calculated correctly, I think it's the answer. Yeah, sure, it is the answer. So 15 times 2, it's 30. 1 times 3, it's 3. So 303. So it's correct. Yeah, so this is the answer. Do you guys understand? If you have any question, you can ask me. I'm gonna give you 1 minute. All right. Okay. You're so smart, guys. Okay, let's go through. Oh, An election for the mayoralty post consists of 5 candidates, A, B, C, D, and E. Therefore, 1,400 eligible voters. In the middle of the manual count, A got 300 votes, B got 154 votes, C got 194 votes, D got 281 votes, and E got 266 votes. There were also 9 invalid notes. What is the least number of votes that A need to get in order to ensure that he wins the mayoralty post? Okay, so I'm gonna give you 1 minute to consider in order to get in some ideas in doing this exercise. Okay, so yeah, try it for 1 minute. Hmm. Okay, so I think that's 1 minute. Okay, so the thing that you need to understand is ensure that he wins the mayoralty post. So in this case, when it says ensure that, it's gonna be in worst case scenario. Because when it is in worst case scenario, we can ensure that he's gonna win, even though it's getting into the worst situation. It's gonna be him who is gonna be the winner. Do you understand it? Okay, so yeah. When all the remaining votes are either for A or the candidate with second highest vote count, which is D. So it's gonna be higher than that. In this scenario, D need 20 more votes to win A. Why? Because like A is leading B like 19 because 300 minus 21 and then 9, 10 is 9 and 1, 0. So D needs 20 votes to beat A. Okay, so yeah, that's a thing that we need to notice. So there's 1,400 eligible voters, but since we see here it's only 300, 154, 194, and 281 votes and 260. So we need to figure out the vote that's someone that is not voting for anyone. So let's find it out. So 1,400 minus 300 minus 154 minus 194 minus 281 minus 266. And there's also 9 invalid votes, which is the vote that's not gonna be work for that election. So we're gonna minus that too. So what do we get? 300 minus 300, 54, 4, 5, 4, 100, 194 is 8, 4, 1. So it's gonna be 6, 6, 4, 8 is gonna be 2, 8, 1, 9, 2, 1, 8, 9. Okay, 9, 2, 9, 9. So it's gonna be like 38. This. And 266 is gonna be 41901. So it's gonna be 12. 140 minus 1004 is gonna be 9. 9 and 10, 6, 9, 1. So it's gonna be 196. Okay, this is the people who is not voting for anyone. Cine is currently leading by 19. So yeah, that's what I have explained you, that A is not is leading everyone, the D, which is the second highest, for 9 votes, 19 votes. Okay, so from the 119 votes to win, what do they need? So it needs that to ensure that A gonna be the winner, we have to make sure that the left vote, which is 196, need to plus with 20 because it lead D to win. So we just need to plus that and then minus it by 2, which we have at 108 votes. Okay, so if A want to win or ensure that A win, we need to make it as 300 plus 196, which is the remaining one. We need to plus the remaining and then minus the 108. That is the vote from the remaining plus the vote that D need 20 votes to beat A, and we need to plus 1. Then we get 389. So that's gonna be ensure that A gonna win. Do you guys understand it? Okay, so since there's no one asked me questions, so let's go through this. Okay, so does anyone interested to read it? Who should I call? Okay, Panya, can you read?
In the diagram, ABC is a right angle triangle with angle C equals 90 degrees. Points D and E are on the segments BC and AC such that BD over AC equals 2 over 3. AE over EC equals 3 over 2, and AD equals 4, and BE equals square root of 10. Find the value of 57 times AB squared.
Oh yeah. Okay, sure. 23. Okay, so what do we have? we have this as 90 degree, and point D and E as segment from BC and AC. Such that B is in here, this, and DC, it's 2 and 3, and AE and AC is 3 and 2. Okay, so we have AD as 4, BE. What is B? B is square root 10. So I'm gonna give you like I'm gonna give you 1 minute to solve this exercise. Okay, guys, so it's already our 1 minute, or I already like give you 1 minute or 2 minutes. So yeah, let's go through this exercise. So we have the value of AD, BE. So let's say this whole thing is equal to 5x, and this whole thing is the same as 5y. So this space is gonna be 3x, this space is gonna be 2x, and this space is gonna be 3y, and this space is gonna be 2y. So in angle B and what? Oh hell no. This we have CEB. This thing is square root 10. So this is 2x and this is 5y. Okay, so according to Tuesday about Pythagoras, we have EC squared plus BC squared equal to BE squared, which is 2x squared plus 5y squared equal to square root 10 squared. We're gonna have 4x squared plus 25y squared equal to 10. All right, so we can keep it right there. We have it like that. Okay, so it's another one. Okay, so we have AC and CD. As this is 4, this is 5, what? 5x, and this is 3x. So we use the same thing. I'm gonna write it in English. B we gonna have AC squared plus DC squared equal to 4 squared. So we have 25x squared plus 9y squared equal to 16. Okay, so what do we have next? We have it as like that, and it's like that. Okay, that's a way that we need to find x and y. Okay, just like do it like this. 25x squared plus 9y squared equal to 16, and 4x squared plus 25y squared equal to 10. Oh, so what do we have to do? Let's say it's as we time it with 25, and this with 9, because we need to delete the y tray, like the y square. Okay, so we gonna have like 25 square, yeah, plus 9 square times 25 equal to 25 times 16. We might need to calculate so much, so it's 36 plus 9 times 25 y equal to 90. So by minus the things, we're gonna cut this off. So that's a trick that I'm gonna teach you here. So when there's like 15 times 15 or 5 times 5, it's gonna be 25. So we just do it like this, and then it's 25, and then this thing we just do like 1 times 2 is gonna be 20, like this. So this is gonna be like this, and then 2 times 3, which is 625. So just do that way. We're gonna have like this and minus this. So we need to calculate it. 11, 15, 9, 8, 5, 5, 5, 8, 9x squared equal to 25 and 16. We're gonna have 0, 3, 15, 5, 2. We're gonna have it as 0, 0, 1, 4. So what do we have to do next? It's gonna be like 490. Okay, so what do we have to do? 140 over 589. So I already calculated, so I'm gonna put put the answer in it. It's gonna be like, what if we just do this? Yeah, that's a good way. 49, so you can see it. It's 9, no, wait. 18, 40. 9 and what? Wait. 48. So it's gonna be 1 and then 49. We got it as 18, we're gonna have 9, and then 0, we gotta have 9. So what? I think there's some problem here. Wait, shouldn't it be x squared over 300 and... Oh, really? Oh, yeah, we need to minus, man. Sorry, my bad. Thank you. Yeah, you're right. You're right. Minus. Yeah. So it's gonna be 310. So 310 over 58, 9. Okay, so it's 8, 9 minus 31. So it's gonna be 1, 3, 1. So 2, 7, 9, 9, 9. Yeah, that's the answer, man. You're correct. You are correct. You're right. Perfect. 10 over 19. Thank you. You're right. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Okay, so what do we do next? We need to plug in 9 and then find a y square, and then we just go through 4 times 10 over 19 plus, let me delete this, 25 y squared equal to 10. So it's not 25 y squared equal to 10 minus 40 over 19. So we're gonna have y equal to 9, 0 minus 40 over 9, 0. And no, 9. So y times 25 y equal to 150. What do we have here? 25. Okay, y equal to 5 times 2 times 3 over 25 times 19. So this is gonna be deleted. Then we have it as 6 over 19. We have it. Okay, so we nearly get an answer in here. What do we have? We need to find the value of AB square. So we have it as like this, according to Pythagoras. So it's gonna be 5 like this. No, wait. By Pythagoras. We have AC squared plus BC squared equal to AB squared. So it's gonna be 5x squared plus 5y squared equal to AB squared. So we have it as 25x squared plus 25y squared equal to AB squared. And factor the 25, we're gonna have it as this thing plus equal to AB squared. So 25 times, oh, this is 19. So it's gonna be 16 over 19 as equal to AB squared. Oh, hell no. Okay, so we need to find the value of this. So it's gonna be equal to 15 times 25 times 16 over 90. 19 over 19. So what is the factor of it? Let's say 19. So it's gonna be 3. 3. So yeah, it's 56. So we're gonna have 3 times 25 times 16, which is 25 times 16 equal to 4. 0, 3, 15, 5, 2. So it's gonna be 0, 0, 1, 4. So we gonna have 400 times 3 equal to 1,200, which is our answer. Okay, guys, do you understand it? Basically, we just use the Thursday bar Pythagore or Pythagore in English, something like that. So explain in English already. So now we explain it in Khmer, and I think this is our time. I'm gonna write. Don't worry, I'm gonna write all the solution for you guys. So yeah, just check the PDF tonight. I'm gonna send it. And does anyone here taking yeah, sure. It will be the last question. Or I'm gonna go through question 25 because I think it's interesting to solve it. And basically SASMO, this I can see that you're smart. So everyone here are smart. So just try do it. I'm gonna send you the solution. Just check the solution when you did everything. This is our last day and last question for our class. So does anyone here gonna taking SASMO tomorrow? Where you taking? At CIA or Macon or the Brand Egg Factory? Oh, good luck, good luck. That's a really good one. All location are good, and yeah, good luck everyone tomorrow. I nearly able to see you guys, but unluckily I'm taking it at Macon. So yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna write all the solution for you. Now I'm gonna explain in Khmer first because there's someone who need it in Khmer. Okay, so ដំបូងយើង មាន BE BE ជាជ្រុងមួយដែលគេមានតម្លៃអញ្ចឹងយើងត្រូវប្រើតម្លៃវាដើម្បីទៅរកតម្លៃ x grade និង y grade អញ្ចឹងនៅពេលដែលយើងរកវាយើងឃើញហើយថាអានេះវាស្មើនឹងរឹស10ហើយអានេះវាស្មើនឹង 2x ដែលយើងតាំងដោយសារផលធៀបរបស់វាគឺ2និង3អញ្ចឹងគឺផលធៀបសរុបរបស់វាគឺ5ដែលយើងអាចរកវាបានហើយគឺបាន2និង5អញ្ចឹងនៅពេលដែលយើងរកតម្លៃរបស់វាគឺយើងបាន 4x grade បូកនឹង25y grade ស្មើនឹង10នៅពេលដែលយើងធ្វើអានឹងហើយយើងទុកម្ដុំសិនពេលដែលយើងទុកម្ដុំហើយយើងត្រូវរកដែលយើងត្រូវប្រើតម្លៃអា4នេះឲ្យវាមានតម្លៃតាមតែគេឲ្យដែរអញ្ចឹងគឺយើងបាន 5x ហើយនឹង 3y ចឹងទៅតាមទ្រឹស្ដីពីតាហ្គើដដែលគឺយើងទទួលបាននៅ 25x grade បូកនឹង 9y grade ស្មើនឹង 16 ចឹងនៅពេលដែលយើងធ្វើវាហើយយើងត្រូវចងវាជាប្រព័ន្ធសមីការបន្ទាប់មកយើងត្រូវដកវាដូចដែលខ្ញុំធ្វើហ្នឹងនៅពេលដែលយើងដកហើយគឺយើងនឹងទទួលបានលទ្ធផលដូចនេះដូចមិញហ្នឹងខ្ញុំធ្វើច្រឡំខ្ញុំយកទៅដកតែច្រឡំយកតម្លៃវាទៅបូកដែរមិញបានយកគាត់ជួយប្រាប់បាន10នៅលើ19បន្ទាប់មកពេលដែលយើងបានx grade ហ្នឹងហើយគឺយើងត្រូវការរក y grade មួយទៀតចឹងដើម្បីរក y grade យើងគ្រាន់តែជំនួស x grade ទៅចូលសមីការដើមយើងនឹងទទួលបានតម្លៃ y grade 6នៅលើ19ចឹងក្នុងទ្រឹស្ដីបទពីតាហ្គើដដែលគឺយើងចង់បាន AB ចឹងយើងមានអានេះ as 5 grade 5x អានេះយើងបាន 5y grade អញ្ចឹងយើងយក 5x grade បូក 5y grade តាមស្បត់ពីតាហ្គើអញ្ចឹងយើងនឹងទទួលបាន 25x grade បូក 25y grade អញ្ចឹងយើងចាំ 25 ជាកត្តាយើងនឹងទទួលបានតម្លៃ x grade និង y grade ដែលយើងរកឃើញមិញមកបូកចូលគ្នាបន្ទាប់មកយើងនឹងទទួលបាននៅតម្លៃ AB grade នៅពេលដែលយើងទទួលបានតម្លៃ AB grade ហើយយើងគ្រាន់តែយកAB grade ហ្នឹងមកគុណនឹង57តាមតែតម្លៃដែលគេចង់បានគឺរួចជាស្រេចគ្រាន់តែគណនាលេខមកបានហើយបាទ and that's it អូខេអញ្ចឹងខ្ញុំអាចនឹងធ្វើលំហាត់មួយនេះមួយទៀតអញ្ចឹងយើងមាន4ហើយនឹង6 so នៅហ្នឹងយើងដឹងហើយថា វាអត់មានអីនៅលើនេះទេអញ្ចឹង it should be 1 right here so s should be 1 and this thing I think it should be like something that we don't know yeah so let's zoom that so m is going to be 6 and n is going to be 4 and after that what do we have next in this kind of exercise we need to criticize because we need to analyze something so yeah what if there's a tratok in here so this is gonna be 9 something so this is gonna be 0 so it's gonna be 1 here this is 6 oh hell no so if this is 6 it's not gonna s not gonna be s is not gonna be like s is not gonna be 1 because yeah as we can see in here m is 6 so when it is like tratok muay over here the thing is it's gonna be 6 when it's tratok muay and yeah you're smart got it correctly and it's gonna be 6 and 5 plus 1 is gonna be 6 the same exactly so 4 plus o equal to l and what do we have next this thing is as 9 this thing as 1 no as 5 my bad 5 okay so what do we need we already use 5 use 6 use 9 and use 4 so what do we have okay so what if we have l as 1 because we can plus it as 7 with 7 so it's 1 here and then it's 7 right here but we're not using the 7 one so what do we have 6 plus so it's gonna be whoa we already used 1 so it's 7 and 8 we already used 9 so this thing is gonna be 9 okay so this gonna be 2 which is 8 plus 1 is equal to 9 so what do we have in here so 7 we already used 8 we already no not yet 8 is not used yet so this should be no that's not should be 8 this should be 8 and this is should be 3 and we got the tratok in here because we need it to be bigger than 10 w plus s need to be bigger than 10 so yeah yeah sure you can leave so yeah we have it as 3 so it's gonna be 0 so what do we need middle so 6 plus 3 plus 9 plus 1 which is 19 our answer okay guys do you get it okay since our class is we are starting over time so as this the last day of our class I want to say good luck to you guys hope your exam tomorrow is gonna be good and you're gonna do well there so yeah good luck goodbye and see you next year bye bye